Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today is another episode of Thanksgiving dinner. I'm going to make a special rice that we make with all big gatherings, like in Christmas, in Easter, in Thanksgiving. It's an Egyptian dish. It's rice with nuts. In Arabic, it's ruz bil khalta. So let's start. So this kind of rice, they make it in all Arab countries, right next to a big dish of meat, any kind of meat, or turkey or chicken when they have big gathering. I'm going to show you a very unique thing that I use for this rice. I'm going to use today orzo and rice. So this will be unique because everybody use only rice. I'm going to show you that the orzo will give it an amazing golden color. My ingredients are 1 cup of orzo, 1 cup of rice, and this I just washed. And here I have my spices, which is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have here almond. This is whole almond, unroasted, natural. And I'm going to boil it while the rice is cooking. Here I have 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I will start by adding the butter and the oil. Wait until it melts. I'm going to add now the sugar. Wait until it's caramelized, which means like melted and become brown. This gives it a very nice color and makes the rice caramelized. It's not sweet rice because we are going to add salt. We use sugar because it adds the brown color to the rice. As soon as it dissolves, it will slowly become darker. Stir for like 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add the orzo. And I will mix together. And this will take a bit longer because I want the orzo to be brown. Not light brown, like medium brown. I will show you how it looks like. So Egyptian big meals, like when we have a gathering or a special occasion, we usually cook a turkey or a duck or lamb, and then we have to make this rice. So when I came to America and I found Thanksgiving that they eat turkey for Thanksgiving and there is no rice, I said, no, I have to make rice. Rice is our favorite dish now with all our gathering, the rice with nuts. In Egypt, they add liver, but we don't like it here, so I'm just making it simple with the nuts on top. Some people add raisins, but I don't like to mix between sweet and salty in one dish. Although this one has a little bit of sugar, but believe me, at the end it won't taste sweet because we will add salt. Also, the Egyptian Thanksgiving doesn't have a lot of sweet dishes on the table. Like we don't cook the sweet potato dishes. Dessert is usually 1 dessert. And it's just simple. So it's basically the turkey, the rice, mashed potatoes, gravy. This is the American touch. And then we have, as a side dish, the fried green beans with olive oil and garlic. I'm going to show you this in one episode. As you see now, this is the color I want, which is like a little bit dark brown, as you see. Now I'm ready to put the rice, mix them together. Then I'm going to add boiling water. I'm boiling the water right now. I'm going to add 3 cups of boiling water now. I'm going to add the cinnamon and the salt. Mix. Then I will cover it and cook it on low for around 20 minutes. Now I'm going to show you what I will do with the almonds. I'm going to boil them in water so that it will be easy for me to peel them. And then I will cut them in half and fry them. They will be like dark brown and I will put them on the top of the rice. It took only 5 minutes. So as soon as it starts boiling, leave it for 5 minutes. And then I let it warm a little bit. While the water is warm, I'm going to peel it like this. See? and put it here. That will take, of course, like 10 minutes. If you can find peeled almonds, that will be much better. I couldn't find it in my area. And then I'm preparing a frying pan, and I will show you how I will fry it to add it to the rice. So I will keep peeling it, and then I will cut it in half. So now this is how the almonds look like after I cut them in half. I'm going to fry them. I melted 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of oil. I will wait until they are brown, and then I put them on top of the rice. Now my almond is ready. I'm going to put it on top of the rice. Here, you see how the rice is brown and amazing. Here is the almond. I'm going to put it on top. And I will also take some of the melted butter, spread it all around. Here is the rice with the nuts on top. I hope you liked the episode today. I hope you can give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it goes. And see you next time.